Hey, it's March. Well, at least that's when we're videoing this. And of course, it's now getting time to get your RV out of storage. Now, if you've had your RV in storage, or maybe you've left it outside and you just put it up and winterized it, now is a good time as we're heading into spring to go ahead and check for any possible leaks. Now, we know that water damage is a big problem that we have in the RV space. And I will tell you, slow leaks are the worst. Hey, welcome to another one of Todd's 2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday, brought to you by the National RV Training Academy. Hey, before we get to the video, which I know this is the reason why you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss anything. Hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. Now, back to our Tech Tip Tuesday. By the time you find the slow leak, it's too late. So it's always good before the heavy season comes for us to get up and inspect all the places where we could have possible water intrusion. So at the appropriate time, what I would like for you guys to do is jump up on your roof, hands and knees, stay hands and knees, and do a slow inspection of your own roof. You're going to look at the sealants, right? And you're looking for just little needle point holes that may need to be addressed. You're not looking for, large gaps or anything else. If you have large gaps or anything else, it's time to sell the RV, say working AC or whatever, and get a new one. But if it is something you need to get up there and look, and if you do see those holes, then maybe it's time that you hire a tech to come out and do a reseal on your roof. So you want to be looking at that. You also want to look inside for any signs of water intrusion, so around your slides or anything else. Now, if they've been closed, you want to check your seals. So when your slide closes, you want to make sure that the outside of your slide is actually in contact, 100% contact with the seals while they're rolling around, right? Now, if they're open, of course, that could be a possible place for water intrusion. Now, we know when the slide is out, water comes in, you have the blade seal, you may find evidence of water intrusion on the sides of your slides. Now, the thing is, that may not be where it's actually leaking. It could be somewhere else. That's just where it ends up. Understand that when we look at water intrusion, we look at signs for water intrusion, it may not always be where it ends up. So take some time, look at the roof, look at the seals that you have, and then, of course, go inside and look for any signs for water intrusion. So hope that helps out. Oh, by the way, if your RV doesn't have a ladder and you're over $125, well, here's the thing. If it doesn't have a ladder, my rule of thumb is you're not standing on it, okay? Hands and knees spread out. Go ahead and put on some knee pads, and you may want to go ahead and take just a little 4x4 sheet of half-inch plywood and lay that up there, and you want to spread the weight out, okay? I'll tell you, if it says LITE on the side or anything else, that means you probably have a ram, so they had to make it super light. If it's going to be super light, that means that your rafters up top probably may be 30 inches, maybe even 48 inches apart, using a little 1/4-inch Luan paneling. So to help out with that, get yourself a little 4x4 piece of plywood, set that up there, hands and knees spread out whenever you're looking. Hey, have a great summer coming up. It's going to be a wonderful summer. There's your tech tip. All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today. Now, for the reason that you're at the end of the video, roll the bloopers. Do you want to put, how about we just do it right here? Yeah. Look at that. So the older you get, have you noticed that there's going to be water leakage? I'm not talking about your RV, but I'm just talking about you, right? So if you're going to be out, maybe this is where you go by the store and get yourself some water intrusion prevention. Yeah, well, it all depends on which ones you get.
Bloopers about water.